analytics is, as I told you, what is this analysis? Analysis in the sense study. We have to study what we are going to study. These studies have been bifurcated into this one. One is what? Descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, or what to say, perspective analytics. Another one is conjunctive or self-learning analysis. This is what the different various kinds of analytics that we are using. Say, what is this descriptive analytics? That is what? Reactive, hindsight, insight, proactive, optimization, foresight, AI or a machine learning. This is what the graph, line is going. Descriptive means what happened historical. What happened last 10 years? What had happened last 10 years? So what was the sales in 2019? What was the profit in 2018-19? That is what happened. How many customers are visited our e-commerce site in 2019? That is what happened. In that customer, how many of them are male, female? What is their age? That is what happened. That is what descriptive analytics says. Understanding my point here? Huh?
Yes, I do.
Agree. See, 2017, how many of them are visited? How many of them are purchased, mobile? Which mobile they have purchased? What is the gender? What is their age? That is what happened. That is what descriptive analytics says. Then when coming in the diagnosis, that is what something is happened, I have to make it correct. That is what, why did it happen? Why my sales of this mobile has been reduced? So my expectation was 50%, but it went to 30%. Why? That is what a diagnostic analysis. Why this happened? Where the things went wrong? Whether the what is this? My sale date was because of the reason of the sale date, or the price, or company performance, or the review of the customer. These are all matters, right? Correct? Huh?
Yes.
When you are purchasing something, say I wanted to purchase a mobile, so I will take the review of the other customers. So how many of them, like how much like they have given, whether like this, what is the performance of mobile. I'll take a feedback, then I will go to purchasing. That is what, why this happened. That is what diagnostic analysis. Okay. Understanding?
Yes.
Next one is what? Predictive analysis. What will going to be happen in future? Tomorrow, what is the customer? How many customers will visit my this one? What is my stock market performance tomorrow? What is the forecast of my weather report? This is what happened. What will going to be happen? That is what predictive analytics, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Next one is what? Perspective analytics. What is this? What should we do about it? Yes, something tomorrow 100 customers will go. How to handle those 100 customers? Whether my internet is good or those many products are available. If none of them didn't turn up, then what will going to be happen? That is what should we do about it? Right?
Yes.
So
it's more of taking action to...
Yeah. Some actions. See, you have something you have predicted. According to that, you have to take some actions. No?
Yes, okay. Understand.
Yeah, very good. Don't know, I know. Sometimes conjunctive or self-learning analysis. What is this? Sometimes unexpected things may going to be happen, right? Everything will have some, say 70% I have predicted, but there is a chances of 30%. That is what that 30% is conjunctive self-learning. Why I couldn't able to that? What happens to that 30%? My prediction is 70%, right? 70% tomorrow customers will turn up, but what about that 30%? That we have to take care. That is what don't I know. That is what conjunctive self-learning analysis says. That is what we are using. Artificial in AI stands for artificial intelligence machine learning, right?
Yes, understood.
Understood this one? This is very easy. Descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive and conjunctive analytics, right? That is descriptive is what history, and analyze something went wrong. That is what is the solution? What will happen to tomorrow if something went? What is the action I supposed to do? And rest, what I have predicted, what I have achieved. Other than that, hidden. What is that? Is what conjunctive. 70% I have predicted. What about that 30%? That I have to take care about that 30%. That is what self-learning. Fine.
Yes, understood.
Okay, very good. That is what, see, descriptive analysis, diagnostic, prescriptive, predictive, and prescriptive, to analyze what has happened in the past, why something has happened in the past, why that has happened, why the sales has been reduced. That is what the diagnosis. Predictive, based on that, most likely happen in the future, used for producing the recommendations on a different actions that can be taken to affect the outcomes. Correct? You will give the so many offers for the, this is what the prescriptive analysis. I think you are understanding this one because your background of business analytics, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Question: what programs do we usually use for each analysis?
For all language we are using.
No, I mean, for example, descriptive analysis. What can we use for descriptive analysis?
It depends. Suppose you are doing the segmentation. That is what you are told the segmentations. Okay.
Yes.
For segmentation, we are using the clustering algorithm. For prediction, we are using the regression algorithm.
Okay.
There are so many different type of algorithms. So we are not using only one algorithm. We have to use a different algorithms for the different scenario.
Yes.
Okay. See, listen. You are belongings to e-commerce, right? So basically, when you are in the e-commerce, you are using what? Prediction and diagnostic, right?
Yes.
So for that you have to predict, and so for that you are using a regression algorithm, you are using the SVL algorithm and clustering algorithms, right? Healthcare people, their business is different. When you're coming into the stock market, their business is different. They use only predictive and they use the descriptive because history says. Okay, they are more interested in the descriptive and prediction, right? They can't do diagnostic.
Okay, understood.
Yeah, and predictive, and that is why weather forecasting also descriptive and prediction. Okay, last 10 years, 2017, 18, January 18, this was the weather. So based on that one, today's 2021, what is the weather? That is what the prediction based on the prescriptive. So for that we are using the regression algorithm, we are using the clustering algorithm, we are using the SVM algorithm. There are thousands of algorithms are there. Thousands of algorithms, meaning not thousands, I am not exaggerating, hundreds of algorithms are there using for the different purpose. Purpose in the sense, what is the objective of an organization? Your organization is what with respect to the e-commerce, right? E-commerce, basically customers behavior, customers expectation, customers predictions, right?
Yes.
That is what their algorithms. I am belonging to some company. My company is with respect to the stock market. What will going to be happen for this tomorrow's stock market? That is the prediction. So today, what had happened? What is the reason? Whether it has been my stock market has been in a positive trend or a negative trend? Why it is positive trend? That is what the analysis. Why it is negative trend? That is what is the reason? Global decision has been. Something went wrong in the USA, something went wrong in the Asian country, or something went wrong in our own country. That is what the descriptive diagnostic analysis says.